One of the main takeaway will be the nesting philosophy of how we design our facility. Ingrained in the quality risk management, the quality by design, where we try to have engineering solution to mitigate the risk. This really is going to help you to understand not only the facility, but how the equipment, the people movement, the material movement are helping to, by design, implement effective contamination control strategy. You will also learn the different classification of the clean room and why they were put in place, and will give you a bit of history of how that come to be. And that will help you to manage them, maintain them. So I think there is a lot of practical example of those regulatory requirements that we've put in this class that make things much easier to understand.